Hey, it's No Gas. Tonight is the kickoff party for the Thunder by the Bay event up in Sarasota. I'm going to ride up there and I'm going to run into Shelia and Maggie. They rode with me on the Route 66 ride. I'll take you along so you can see what it's all about. Hey, this is No Gas. Thanks for dropping in. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'd like to invite you to come along with us as we ride to various motorcycle destinations in Southwest Florida and throughout the United States. Sometimes solo, other times with friends. If you're a current subscriber, thank you. If not, please subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost a thing. We made it. I'm here at Thunder by the Bay. I call it Thunder by the Fairgrounds because they moved it away from the bay back in 2017, a long time ago now. Used to be in downtown Sarasota, but now it's here at the fairgrounds. So let's go check it out. This is the motorcycle parking area of the event. They have automobile parking up near the front of the fairgrounds, but we park back here and we'll walk over to the midway where they have all the motorcycle vendors and food vendors, and then the band, which is set up on the back side of the property over there. Singing for you right there, guys. Yeah. Growing up. It's an electric bike. Yeah. Good. How are you? I was almost standing here. How are you?
Good.
Good.
This is Nancy.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
She was my riding partner on
World Record Poker Run. Maggie! Hello.
This is Dan, you know that. Yeah, I just met him.
Hi.
How are
are
Good
you?
to see ya.
Yeah. Missing you.
Yeah, I missed you too. Last time we met, we rode to Miami.
Yeah.
Not going to dry to a haze that you have to come back later and buff out. It'll remove the bugs, dirt, dust, pollen, tree sap, grease, tar, brake dust, water spots, and road grime. 15 minutes or less, you make a whole night.
I think you need a new bike.
I know a guy that just bought one of these.
Really?
Yeah. It's called the
King Highway King.
Yeah, Highway King. That's it. Yeah. You'll get busy tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hello.
For that price, absolutely.
Yeah, right?
Take care.
Bye. Nice seeing you. Bye.
Take care.
Oh, yeah.
That's sweet.
Yeah, you have one, don't you?
Yeah, I have. But not today. Not today.
Sarasota, how the hell we doing out here at Thunder by the Bay? It's hot as hell out here, but I tell you what, we came here to do one thing and one thing only, and that's to rock you damn socks off tonight. What do you say? We're gonna do one.
Freezing out here.
A little bit about that chomp chomp, if you know what I mean. She knows what I mean. Talking about that Gator Country. Do we have any military veterans out here or anybody currently serving for our great nation? All right. Everybody out here tonight, y'all make some noise for these people.
All right, it was a good night for the kickoff for the Thunder by the Bay 26th annual. So hope you can make it down next year. This is Sunday, and it's been rainy pretty much since 6 p.m. on Saturday. So the rest of the weekend for them, unfortunately, it wasn't that great weather-wise. So hopefully you can get down here next year for Thunder by the Bay in Sarasota, Florida. Okay, signing off. This is No Guys.